Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Uba Sanbor Shulai MLA ke South Shillong constituency ulaong bah ke kamsan perthei amla ban ong ni tip ya ke ai ke banjia la ke BJP Kanadan lang ni mat ke sarkar ya menta 4 la ban tip mat kwa ban ong ai ru Henry la kintu ban shia pej bej ya ke jingya jong ke kam Shushu na kalyang ba Sanbor habakren bakila pathay khobor mentakasngi kasip hodrik ujileo arajar arpusaw ulaong ba amla ban tip ya kala syai ke ai ke banjia pat haba juba pat halor ke jingduna seat ke BJP ban sinshar marwai ha ke sarkar na kalyang uba kharkrang ula penkin mau balada phai ke jingyo seat ke kinhon India kaduna wat ya ke jingyo pat ke BJP ru lada khen kelum Henry halor kini ki baro nakal yang kaseng kan sa syong bishar bat penbet yi gijing duna Henry ban ongpat baka seng kalahiar kamyaha namarunong yalam udang muja yala ka jong ke benta ban yalam ni ke kinhon lada yanujor wat yi seat ki baka kinhon India kayo shushu ba Sanbor lo ongru bawat mo uru ka jingyo vote jong u kalahiar bha nakaba uju yo khat saw hajar tam mentakala poisa tang ka prahajar pat hakakam san perthai amla bandon unong shun bat uparlok baro Xi Jinping namar menta ula bandon bat ke BJP Henry Hadin ula bandon bat ke RJD ne bat kiwai ki sengru
up to next election.
Will continue as usual, I hope.
In the context of
No, sir, what do you say?
BJP, yeah.
Now to operation we continue because everybody are enjoying the chair of the government, including me, as a chairman of this government. So in politics, you cannot see what is happening now. We are having, we are in the government. Later on, you cannot predict what will happen. So whether the NPP will continue or not continue with the BJP, or the BJP will continue or not continue, that way I cannot give any assurance. We cannot comment on that. Just watch and see what will happen. How can we predict for the future? And what happened here? It's a shock, where the people did not expect that the Congress will be defeated in Tura, and the NPP will be defeated here in Shillong.
Moreover, we are a different identity. So obviously we will definitely try to strengthen our own organization and build a roadmap for 2028.
Let's remember one thing. The total votes of the India Alliance itself is less than what BJP has got on its own. So, the thing is, it's like saying a person who has been getting 100%, 100% in the last couple of exams and suddenly he came to 95. So that doesn't mean that's been eroded. Certain things has happened and probably the central leaders will be introspecting and take necessary corrective action. But to see that his image has been eroded, it's not correct. Because the thing is, he still enjoys more seats on his own than all the India Alliance combined together.
You have to think how to survive. Constituency-wise, the present MLA they have to work carefully, wisely, how to revamp in any party. Even me also, though I win, but I win this MP election, but I have to revive everything because the winning margin is very less. I am also to I have to sit very soon with all my people to postmortem what is happening. Why?
You will stick with
the percentage of my vote has come down from 14,000 to 8,000 less.
You will stick with the BJP.
That's why I told you in politics there is no permanent enemy, no permanent friend. Well, I cannot say now I'm in the BJP, later on I may be with RJD or I may be. You cannot say.